In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to process a refund in Zoho Books. Whether you're a small business owner or part of an accounting team, handling refunds can be a simple task when you know your way around the platform. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to ensure that you can confidently manage refunds in Zoho Books without a hitch. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate to the Sales section and then click on Invoices. This is where you'll find all the invoices that have been generated for your customers. It's like flipping through the pages of your sales history, and it's your starting point for the refund process. Finding the right invoice is key, and you'll need to identify the one that needs a refund. Open this invoice by clicking on it. Opening the invoice allows you to see all the details laid out, making it easy to ensure you've got the correct transaction. Next, look towards the top right of your screen, where you'll see a button labeled More. Click on this, and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, choose the option to create credit note. The credit note is essential because it serves as a document acknowledging the return of goods or services, often a precursor to the actual monetary refund. Enter the details of the returned items or services on this credit note. You may need to specify items returned, quantities, and any other relevant information. Once you've inputted all necessary data, go ahead and click Save to preserve this record. Now that you've saved the credit note, you're ready to process the refund itself. Again, click on the More button, and from the drop-down, this time select Refund. This option will allow you to convert the credit note into a financial transaction that returns money to the customer. The next screen will prompt you to enter the amount that you need to refund. This is your chance to double-check the figures, ensuring accuracy. Additionally, you'll need to select the payment method for issuing this refund. Whether it's by bank transfer, credit card, or another method, make sure it suits the transaction history and your customer's preferences. Finally, after inputting the refund amount and choosing your payment method, click Save. This final step will process the refund and update your records accordingly. It not only confirms that you've successfully issued the refund, but also keeps your financial accounts up to date, ensuring everything is in balance. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively issue a refund using Zoho Books, providing a seamless experience for both you and your customer. Handling refunds correctly is all part of excellent customer service, and Zoho Books makes it straightforward. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out or explore more of our resources for managing your financial transactions smoothly.